So you're starting your journey using glueless eyelashes, and you have a lot of questions. Uh, they are water resistant, wind resistant when they're on, so you can wear them if you wanted to in the shower. You can wear them while you sleep if you're careful. So the more careful you are with them, the longer they will last. So does it last a day? You can use them all day if you want to. You can use them for leave them on for 3 days, or you can leave them all week. It really depends on how well you take care of them. But it also comes with some Q-tips here where you'll wipe your eyelash clean, and then we have the curler that you can use, and we are looking at Fluffy at the moment, which comes with the tweezers that are right here, and it's magnetic, so it'll always, when you're done, put it there. You don't have to worry about losing it. It also comes with the mirror, so if you have the mirror, you can look at yourself, see how it's going. Uh, then we have the different eyelash sizes. We have the 20 millimeter, the 18, 16 millimeter, 14 millimeter, and then the 12 millimeter. But you can decide, how many eyelashes you need, because it depends on the shape of your eye. So if you're going all of this and you get the 4 and you feel like, oh, that's enough, like I don't think I can fit this one, then that's fine. You don't have to use this one. But if you do have room and you do want to use it, that's what you can do. Or you can just use all the same lengths. And it kind of really depends on your preference, on what you like when it comes to the eyelashes, because they do make different styles from Fluffy, 200D, 3D Nova, Runa, the list goes on the different styles you can choose from, like cat eye. But with these, they're very easy. When you're getting them, you want to be really careful. Just get it carefully, right? And then if you're wondering, like, what type of glue is it? And I guess the only way I could explain it, you ever get those cards in the mail and they're like stuck to the paper, and there's like this weird glue that's not sticky but sticky? It's something similar to that. I know the camera's not very good at catching, but it has a little bit of a transparent, so you won't really see it very much because these go under your eyelash. So they don't go on top. They go under the very roots of your eyelash, right above the waterline. So don't put it on uh, don't put them on the eye itself. Remember, just put them on the very bottom of your roots of the bottom of your eyelashes. Then when they're on there, you're gonna press it for a few seconds, and they'll be on there. And again, they'll be waterproof, windproof, so they shouldn't come off. I mean, I doubt they're hurricane proof, but they will stay on for a very long time. And then when you're ready, you can just pull them off. Pull them off. And it's you're putting them back on. There's a little sticky part that they'll grab onto. And you just keep using it. So you definitely don't pull from the top. Pull at the very bottom, but not where the glue is. Just above the glue. And then you pull out the eyelash and then connect it to your bottom of your eyelash. And again, there's many different questions that you might have, and there's different styles. Yes, water resistant, shower. You can take them in the shower. You can wear them as long as they are holding on. And then you might wonder, can I use glue to hold them on? Well, that's the most I can say is just no. Don't use glue to make these last longer, because unlike the other eyelashes, those go above your eyelash, so they'll be on very top, and you put the glue on the top of your eyelash. But depending on the glue you use, it may flake a little bit, irritate your eyes. So you don't want any of the glue flaking into your eye. And plus, with the already glueless, the glueless glue that's on there, you may weaken the bond using that. So you definitely want to be careful of adding glue to that. So this has been Father McFossFoss, and I answer some of the basic frequently asked questions. I hope that has been helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.